Non-dismantling composite insulation formwork is a kind of multifunctional structural insulated panel used as formwork in cast-in-place concrete systems. No need to remove again. Meanwhile, it also acts as insulation layers of the building. Greatly saves the cost and time of construction. That's why more and more people start to use it, too, instead of the traditional formwork. Our patented SIP panels adopt special XPS foam board. Firstly, make surface treatments, and then coat mortar on the surface. Also the special fiber mesh cloth and transition layer. After professional maintenance, then do the process for the other surface. Pre-drilled holes according to construction requirements. Stacking and packing. Delivery to construction site. After arriving, then, start installation process. First, install the connectors on the SIP boards. Placing the pads after the steel frame is built. Fixing the SIP boards on the correct location. Install the internal formworks and vertical support frames. Be sure to cover the SIP panel joints by frames. Install the alignment bolts. And transfer steel pipes for fixing. After finishing all SIP boards installation, workers can do pouring concrete as usual. After concrete curing, we can dismantle support bars and internal formworks. Reinforce the joints. Use polymer mortar to smooth joints and connections. And lay alkali-resistant glass fiber mesh cloth. Increase the performance of crack resistance. Then, the whole system is finished.